Hey there, Ray Jenkins of Money Authentically here, and I wanted to put together this short video to talk a little bit about one of the services that I offer through my company, which is Legal Shield. I've been with Legal Shield, I've been using the Legal Shield service for so long. Back when I started using it, it was called prepaid legal. And so I've had this prepaid legal membership for over a decade, close to 15 years now. And, my daughter grew up on Legal Shield. And my daughter is currently, she's been using Legal Shield, which I'm going to tell you all about in my couple of stories, because I said that I was going to put this video together and talk to you about, as a mom, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, how Legal Shield, having the membership, has saved me money opposed to costing me money. So really quickly, one of my awesome testimonies is, I'll share one with my daughter. Okay, so my daughter started driving when she was a teen, and I don't need to tell you that we've got numerous moving violations. It happened. We had numerous. I'm going to keep it clean. I'm going to keep it nice. We've had numerous moving violations, since she got her license. Well, because of the Legal Shield membership, I was able to connect her with the law firm for our state, and she had access to an attorney that went to court with her. Now, she had the option of not going to court or going to court, because the attorneys will go for you or with you. She always opted to go. Okay. And what would end up happening each and every time was they were able to, this is just our testimony. I can't promise you that you'll get these results, but I'm just saying our experience. Okay. Fair enough. She would have to take a class. She would, the points would get thrown out. She wouldn't have any points on her license. And, pretty much all she had to do was pay some court fees, which was pretty huge. Because if it went another way, I would have had increased insurance payments. Increased, which cost me more money. So that's just one example of Legal Shield saving me money. Now, let me give you the opposite. Well, as I said, I've had this membership for many, many years. And my experience is I had some moving violations. And in my defense, I'm just going to say this. It was so long ago, I really don't know if I was speeding or not. But what I do know is that there have been times when I'm just driving up the road, up the highway, whatever, and I'm lost in my music, lost in my thoughts. Next thing I know, I just say, some says, look at the speedometer. And I'm doing like 80, 90 in the 65, or something like that or whatever. And, so that could have been what happened back then. But let me tell you what I did. I got clocked this time I was coming back from dropping my daughter off at summer camp. Got clocked doing 92 and a 65. Oh my gosh, it gets worse. When I went back to pick my daughter up, I got clocked doing 93 and a 65. I don't know what happened. But I do know I didn't have my Legal Shield membership at that time. And I remember so clearly what happened. I think I switched banks, or they changed my bank card or something like that. And they weren't able to process my membership payment because I had it on auto draft. And so they were sending me notifications to say we weren't able to, draft your account. Here's, the things that you need to go ahead and, give us your information and get your account, up and going. Well, busy me thinking, like most people think, I'm not going to need it. I'll get to it. I'll do it. Well, 292 or more miles per minute, per hour citations on my driving record, reckless, without question. They wanted to suspend my driver's license altogether. But I was able to plead with the judge and let her know that my livelihood requires me to drive. What I do for a living, I have to drive. And so they sent me to some classes. I paid some astronomical fees and some court costs, and I had to take this class. And without question, insurance rates skyrocketed. So that's how I knew if my daughter's situation had went a different way, that mine would have too. So I said that I was going to keep this short. So I'm going to start wrapping up now my little testimony. And I just really want to encourage you that, we tend to think that, it won't happen to me. But legal situations happen to us almost daily. We've just been conditioned not to use an attorney for our situation, consult with attorney for our situation. We've just been conditioned to handle it ourselves, and it doesn't always work out in our benefit. So that's how Legal Shield saved me money opposed to costing me money. And just keep an eye open, because I'm going to share a couple more testimonials with you, and I can't wait to see what you think about them. Okay, so Ray Jenkins of Money Authentically checking out here. Bye-bye.